All right, my Publix haul, Publix heist for the week. This is $191.41 with the goods all said and done. I had an overage moneymaker of $4.03. And as always, that total includes the tax. Got to keep it real on our coupon boast here, real accurate. As we know, this week of March 16th to March 22nd, or March 15th to March 21st if you live up north out of the state of Florida. I am in down south of South Florida. True BOGO land. My sale starts today, Thursday, the first day of sale. Trying to do this every week. Please subscribe to my channel so you can get these deals right off. And also please hit the like button. Trying to build my channel up, as you know. So, let's get right into these. Maybe 15 or so good deals. I go for the real good deals, the money maker. I want to leave the store with money in my pocket, or usually in my Ibotta account. To be honest, I think I cashed out like $230 from Ibotta today. I'm almost at 5,000 total dollars in Ibotta since, I guess, 2017 or whatever I started using Ibotta. All right, let's get right into this here. Kellogg's Townhouse Crackers, $3.69 at my store. So for two of them, be $7.38. They're BOGO, so you know what that means. You get both of them for $3.69. Ibotta has $1 back on each box. Sometimes from the Kellogg's website, there's a printable. I could not find one. So, but regardless, I had $1 back on each box. Made them $1.69 total for both of them. And you may have a different amount in your Ibotta. I think some people have 50 cents. I had $1, so I enjoyed that. All right, Rockstar Energy drink. I didn't say I have 4 of these. I did this in 3 different transactions, of course, just going over $40 each time, so I could utilize my $5 off of 40 where I live. There's, gosh, I'd say 15 Publix within 20 minutes of where I live. Pretty lucky in that case, so I could do this. But I went to 3 different stores today, each time going over 40. Thus, I did this in 2 transactions. Well, you have to at least do this in 2 transactions. I did 3 transactions because I get 2 different Publix digital accounts is what I'm getting at. I could have done this in 2 transactions. Right, so Rockstar Energy drink, regular price for these guys are $3 each. So for 4 of them, the price would be $12.90 when you factor the tax. $3 times 4 plus the tax, $12.90. However, they are BOGO, so you get them for $6.45. Or let's just do it $3.23. I guess $3.22 for 2 of them. There's a buy one get one free Publix digital coupon, so make sure you got that clipped. Made that then you submit to Stocking Spree, and when you reach $50, I've been saving up all my receipts. I think I put in 21 receipts so far when the Stocking Spree came out, I guess February, and I have around $80, so I'm almost to $100 where I get to a $10 gift. Every $50 you get a $10 gift card. So when you factor that, it's about 60 cents to the good for these Rockstar. 60 cents and 60 cents, $1.20 to the good. 60 cents each time. Whether they count as $6 or $2, I will find out, so I'm waiting. Regardless, it was a 75-cent over to moneymaker for those 4. All right. Oh no, that's at it. Here's my editing skills. The Taco Bell packet was turned into a Haagen-Dazs ice cream. It was there so I'd remember to put the Haagen-Dazs out. I did not, but my editing skills, that's about how good it gets when I edit these videos. The pause button on the camera. Regardless, $1.75 for this guy with the tax comes to $1.88. It's on sale, 4 for $5. So that comes to $1.25 plus tax, $1.34. There's a Ibotta rebate that glitched on this. It is a limit of 5. I didn't want to gamble. I made the mistake. I did the dirty work. So now you can get 5 of those and only pay 34 cents each for them. Can't promise that's gonna work, but it did glitch, and it took a dollar to the good from Ibotta. Made that only 34 cents. Splenda Peel and Pour is back. So last week was a much better deal. It was 2 for $6.99. Now they're $4.49 each. So for, well, the regular price for them is $6.99 as I mentioned. So for 2 of them would be $15.03 when you factor the tax. They're on sale for $4.49 now. So, which is still a good deal, still a win, because $4.49 times 2, factor the tax, $9.65 for both of them. And there is a manufacturer coupon from the Save March 5th. It takes $3 off. I used 2 of those, so that's $6 to the good. Ibotta also has $3 back, limited to. That's why I got 2 of them. So that's another $6 to the good. So $9.65 spent, $12 in the coupons, and Ibotta made that a $2.35 overage. Band-Aid gauze, as you can see, I did 3 times. I do not have the store coupon. It is back in the extra savings book. It's at $2 to the good. They went up again. I mean, they used to be $179, then they went to like $199, then $212, then $242. Now they're at $262 or $2. I don't know what they were at, two something, but they're $262 each for these guys. As I mentioned, the $2 store coupon is $2 to the good, and 75% is manufacturer printable. I don't believe this is still available, but hopefully you follow my channel and you have some of these still laying around, because I used 3 of them in 3 different transactions, making that $7.86 the total for 3 of them. And it was a $2.35 overage when I used 3 store coupons and 3. Sorry, it was a 39-cent overage when I used 3 manufacturer coupons for 75 cents and 3 $2 off store coupons, $6. So a 39-cent overage on those. Pure Leaf tea. Now I made the last time. You got to get the subtly sweet tea. Yeah, okay. I can't talk, but $2.29. For those guys is the regular price with the tax, $2.46. It's on sale for 3 for $5, so you get $1.67 plus the tax, which makes it $1.80. Publix digital coupon for a free one if you got that in your account. I had one in one of my accounts, so it cost me only 13 cents each time. I was building up to 40, as you know, just going over 40. I was really good, like $40.12, $40.26. I was just going over 40 each time. And that obviously gave me another $15 off with my 3 transactions. Splenda Shakes did this deal last week as well. So check your clearance for the strawberry. The regular price is $9.99, so for doing me $19.98. However, they're on. I've seen them for $3.47. This time they're on clearance for $4.99. So I picked up 2 of those. Cost me $9.98. There is this coupon you can use. $2 off of 4. It's from the January 15th save. So that was $4 to the good on those, and also a $3 Ibotta rebate, limit of 3. So I utilized 2 of those this time. That gave me $6 to the good. Made that a 2-cent overage on those. Splenda Monk Fruit. I had this deal here. If you get 3 of the Splenda Monk Fruit liquid stevia liquid, and 3 of the Splenda liquid stevias, as the white ones, and also the monk fruit is the pink ones or whatever. Just the regular price here today, $4.49. So 3 of them cost $13.47, and 3 of those $13.47. So that's what, $26.94 for those guys is the price, $26.94. And what I did is I used 3 of these $4 off 2 coupons, so that gave me $12 to the good. Ibotta also has $2 back on each one, a limit of 3. $2 back on those, limit of 3. $2 back on those, limit of 3. So that equals 6 plus 6. That equals $12 to the good. So plus those $12 to get it. So let's see, $26.94 and $24 in coupons and Ibotta rebates made that only $2.94 for those. All right, the cracker deal, the Bahlense. Oh, gosh, I'm terrible, but it even rings. I mean, it even says something different on the receipt, so whatever. Anyways, so yeah, leave a comment if you know how to pronounce this below. But the regular price for these guys are $5.29, so for 4 of them cost $21.16. They're slightly on sale for $4.75. I picked them up for, so for 4 of them cost me $19. I used 4 of these manufacturer printable coupons that took $2 off, so I used 4 of those. That gave me $8 to the good. Also, Ibotta has $1.50 back on each box, so that gave me $6 to the good, making that only $3.50 total for those 4. All right, Lysol Tall Bowl Cleaner. I did this deal last week, and it came back again in Ibotta, and it's still on sale. Buy 2, get 1 free So regular price, $2.39 times 3, $7.71. Yeah, they buy two, get one free, so you only pay two of them, so that's $5.14 when you factor the tax for all three of them. There is $1 off a two Publix digital coupon. I took $1 off. 50 cents manufacturer coupon from the SS Smart Source 226. Took another 50 cents off. Ibotta gives you 50 cents back on all three of them, so that was another $1.50 to the good. And coupons.com had 50 cents to the good and $1 to the good on two of them. So, and if and or but did that, 64-cent total for all three of those. Barilla El Bronzo pasta. So yes, two different accounts. Each account has $1.50 Publix digital coupon. So the regular price $2.59. So for both of them, wait $5.18. They're on sale for $2.04. So it makes $4.08 for both of them, or just say $2.04 because you're doing them in two transactions. Then I had $1.50 Publix digital coupon. Fetch gave me back 50 cents, 50% back last week. This time it's 25%, which came to 51 cents. So that's already $1. It only costs 3 cents. Now, it glitched. I guess the linguine one glitched with, I have all my Ibotta rebates clipped, all my Publix digital coupons clipped. If you follow my channel, I do that because I had a glitch of the Barilla pasta came out. I can't promise it'll work, but I believe when I bought the linguine, the Barilla pasta Ibotta rebate glitched for $1.50 more to the good, made that 93-cent overage for both boxes. Loreal hair care. I saw this on Dealing with Dolores. This is a good one. Dolores, this was a good deal here. So this is $1. They're $12.99 each, I believe. So for two of them, when you factor the tax for these guys, you're looking at $27.93. However, they are on sale or on clearance for $4.99 each. So for two of them, when you factor the tax, it's $10.73. From the save March 5th, there is $6 off of two. And look at that picture, he's even on there. $6 off of two on these. Yes, I was embarrassed buying this. More embarrassed than buying the 10 of ads, perhaps. But anyways, let's see. $4.99 each, so $10.73 total. $6 to the good from the manufacturer coupon from the save March 5th. Also $3 back from Ibotta on each one. That's another $6 to the good. Made that $1.27 overage for both of those. The bougie water, the Fiji water, couponing, Kellogg coupons. Kellogg coupons would say the bougie water. I picked it up here. So $1. What are these guys? The Fiji water. These Fiji 1.5 liter. These guys are $3.09 each. So for two of them, be $6.18. However, the BOGO, no tax on water, thank God. So I'm surprised no tax on water. Tax everything else, but $3.09 for these guys for two of them. Ibotta has 75-cent back on both. One at $1.50 the good, made that $1.59 total for both of those, and helps me build up to my 40. So hey, next week we got a 10 off of 75. Write me a comment if you want one of those Sprouts coupons. It's a competitor coupon. When you walk in the store or in that area where they have the grocery carts, usually there's a green placard that will say we accept these competitor coupons. Somewhere in the store, or you can just simply ask customer service, what competitor coupons do you accept? Usually somewhere within 5-mile radius or whatever. My store accepts Sprouts, so they honor that coupon. As you know, I try to use one of those like every week, hopefully. All right, Rise Coffee, get the oat milk latte nitro cold brew. Check your Ibotta, because I had $1 back on each one and $1.50 back on if you buy three. So of course I bought three of them. Regular price for these guys are $2.50 each. So for three of them, when you factor the tax, $8.06. They're on sale for $2.19. So for three of them, when you factor the tax, $7.06. As I mentioned, $1 back from Ibotta. That gave me $3 the good, and then $1.50 off of three from Ibotta gave me $1.50 the good, making them only $2.56 for all three of them. Now check your Ibotta, scan them before you do it, as always. All right, Dove Men+Care. Regular price for these guys are $5.59 each. So for two of them, factor the tax, $12.02. They're on sale. I guess buy two, get $4 off, so $2 off each one. That's $3.59. 359 times 2. Factor the tax, $7.72. There's a Publix digital coupon for $4 off of 2. Made them only $3.72 for those. All right, so not the best deal here, you know, but I had the overage. I working up to my 40. This was also not the best deal. It's I was hoping a digital would clip because I have like 5 Publix digital coupons for Silk Almond, but it did not, unfortunately for me. Let me know if yours does. Hopefully it will. So regular price for this is $3. On sale for $2.50, and there isn't about a rebate for 75 cents back. So that made it $1.75 for that guy. All right, last deal. Heinz. You've got to find the art of the burger printed on there. These guys, there's an about a rebate that gives you $2.50 back on each one. First of all, let's get to the price. $2.87. So for 2 of them, $5.74. They're on bogo this week, so you get 2 of them for $2.87. And as I mentioned, about it has $2.50 back on limit of 2 on both of them. So that was $5 to the good. Made that a $2.13 overage. And as I mentioned, I broke this up into 3 transactions, just going over 40 each time, and had 15 more dollars to the good. Thus my overage. I'm keeping my streak alive of like 2.5 years every week, going to the grocery store, getting $100, $200, $300 worth of stuff, and having an overage every week. And yeah, you know, just one other tip. When you have something like this that's a moneymaker, buy it every time. Buy it every time. You know, hopefully you got a couple of these laying around. Store coupons are unlimited. If you have a bunch of the manufacturer printables, buy them every time. That's my 3 transactions. I always bought those every 3 times. It's an easy deal. Moneymaker. Once again, please subscribe. The funny looking guy, once again. Everybody enjoy their couponing. Check out my other paid to shop videos.